Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters to your picture on the Pixelcut application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the create button down below on the left side corner of the screen and click on camera. After that you should take a picture with your phone and click on the use photo button down below on the right side. Then tap on filter and here you will be able to see the available filters that you can apply. Try them out by tapping on the relevant ones, and here you can also adjust the intensity on this slide below. You can also see the percentage, and when you are done, click on the check mark icon on the right side in the middle of the screen next to the filter title. And basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.